Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about working directory, staging index and repository, what each one means and what will happen when you add your code or when you commit your code. So let's start. So I have a folder, it has just one file, it's index.html. So right now, if we write git status, we will say there's nothing to comment. Let's do one change on our file. So let's remove some text. So we'll give it hello Zaina and check again the status. So right now, this change, it's in the working directory. When you add new files or modify files, it will be in the working directory. So the first status, it's the working directory. Then if we write git add and again git status, now as you can see, it's in the staging index, or some people call it index. So it's in the staging index. Now if we commit it, hide the file, it's now moved to the repository. So first thing, it will be in the working directory. Then when we add it, it will be in the staging index. Then after committing it, it will be in the repository. So to explain this more, I have this thing. So this is the working directory. This is the staging index. This is the repository. So now when we just have a file, it will be in the working directory. In our case, it's the index.html, which is the file we were modifying. So in this case, it will be in the working directory. Now when we just add it, git add, it will be in the staging index. So first working directory, then when we add it, it will be moved to the staging index. Then we will commit it. When we commit it, it will move to the repository. So this is the three things: working directory when we just have the file, staging index when we add it, and it will be moved to repository when we commit it. Let's try to add another file, code some file.html, and let's save, and let's see what's the status. So now it's in the working directory. So if we move to, it will be in the working directory. Then we will say git add some file. It will be moved to the staging index. Then commit, it will be moved to the repository. So again, same thing for this file. it will be in the working directory, then it will be moved to staging index, then to the repository. And that's it for this 3 things. It's very important to understand. And if you have any question, you can just comment on the comment section below, and I will try to read your comment and help you. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.